What is the difference between counsel and counsel? Council and Counsel. They sound exactly the same, but they belong to completely different meanings. So if you confuse them, your sentence may sound correct, but the meaning will be wrong. Let's make this clear. Let's begin with counsel, because this word is easier to recognize in real-life situations. The word counsel is pronounced as counsel. Counsel. When we use counsel, we are talking about a group of people. Usually, this group is part of a government, organization, or decision-making body. For example, the city council approved the new project. Here, counsel refers to a group of officials. They meet, discuss, and make decisions. So the word represents people acting together as a body. Another example, she was elected to the student council. Again, this is a group. Students who are chosen to represent others and make decisions. The meaning stays the same, a formal group with authority. So we can say, counsel is a group of people who make decisions. Now, the second word, which sounds the same, but shifts completely in meaning. This word is pronounced as counsel. Counsel. It sounds the same, but its meaning is completely different. Counsel refers to advice or the act of giving advice. For example, he gave me good counsel. Here, counsel means advice. He helped by guiding or suggesting what to do. This word is not about a group. It is about guidance. Another example, the lawyer provided legal counsel. In this sentence, counsel means professional advice, especially in law. It can also refer to a lawyer because lawyers give legal advice. Now let's compare them side by side. The counsel made a decision. This means a group made a decision. The lawyer gave counsel. This means advice was given. Same pronunciation, but completely different meanings. A very common mistake is this. He asked the counsel for advice. This can be confusing because if you mean advice, the correct word is he asked for counsel, because here the focus is not on a group but on guidance. So remember this clearly. Counsel, a group of people. Counsel, advice or guidance. One refers to people, the other refers to ideas and support.